So here we go again with another sneaker unboxing. Yep, so again I went back to sneakers and stuff. 3rd month running. It's quite sad that, but with their range I actually really like the fact they have a large range of stuff, and it only takes like 6 days to go from Sweden to Britain. So here we go from sneakers and stuff. And this is the first time they've wrapped it, but I think there's like loads of bubble wrap in there. So I have scissors, I well sellotape this. A minute, there's a box inside a box. Talk about super protection. Then layer 2. Thank you for shopping at sneaker stuff. So we have Puma and Trapstar, and this is the Disc Blaze Camo X Trapstar in P Black, P White, P Cherry. Oh no, Barb Cherry. UK size 9.5. And there is the shoe, a nice urban camo. Review coming on that sometime. I never say sometime soon because I'm so far behind the sneaker reviews, but there we go, there is the shoe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.